so don't judge my van, but my van definitely needs to be washed. All right, for those who are looking to get in the carpet cleaning business, some people typically ask what equipment they need, what solution they need. Should they use a portable? Should they use a truck mount? And I say you can use different methods. It just depends on the job. You can use a buffer, 175 buffer. Some people use a machine called an Oric. You also can use a portable unit or the truck mount, depending on your budget on when you want to get started as well. But I can show you what I have here. All right, so no judging. Just want to show y'all what I got. So first, I want to show you what solutions I have. Don't get caught up on the solutions. There's plenty of solutions out there you can learn from, you can use to start a carpet cleaning business and to use when you clean the carpets. So here's one of my go-tos. Sager's Sauce One. This is the blue one. All right. I like New Line for the deodorizer. All right, I like that. Also, here's another New Line deodorant as well. So as you can see, I use multiple deodorants. For my peroxide, I use 20 volume or I use 40 volume, depending on the job. Okay, keep that in mind. When it comes to pet issues, I use Odor X, Undoes It, Unleash. This stuff right here works good, works like magic. But I'm out of this one, but it's okay, because I end up buying a brand new gallon. For my commercial stuff, I use New Line product called Super Flex GTO, and this is pretty good. So this is my go-to. This is my go-to I use right here to clean carpets. And this works perfect for me. So this is for me. And if you feel like this is something that you want to do, I can drop the step-by-step course inside the bio, the description. So keep that in mind, okay? All right, starting from the back of the van. As you know, we have our materials, right? Which is cleaning chemicals. All right. Over here, here's an upholstery wand. Some people, like myself, I use this for a staircase, or you can use it for upholstery. That's if you want to. But it's mainly for upholstery, not staircase. They make a staircase wand. This wand over here, it's called a sapphire. The sapphire is pretty unique. It's made for upholstery. It's made for upholstery. With the sapphire, it's perfect to use. It's extremely perfect for upholstery. And the reason why, you can control your output of your water flow. This right here, this gauge right here, you can determine how much water you put out. And which is great, so you don't want to over wet the carpet, the upholstery. All right, over here, here's my wand reel and my hoses. My hose reel, sorry, it's a wand reel, hoses. So with this here, you use this to run. This gonna be the hose that's gonna suck up the moisture that's on the floor, dirt, debris. Here's my release to release it. But I just don't need to release it, so we can leave this how it is. Over here, all right. As I mentioned, you got different wands. So you got 2 upholstery wands. You got your actual carpet cleaner wand too as well. Over here, you need your backpack sprayer. With this backpack sprayer, you can spray your solution out. walk it down on the carpet, spray it out, lightly mist it. This right here is an agitator. You need some type of agitation when you clean the carpets. You either can scrub with a brush after you spray your chemicals in, you can use a rake, or you can use this. This machine has a brush in the front and in the back. I need to clean it. And that's why I'm out here doing this video. All right, so you need chemicals, you need a wand, upholstery wand, and some type of upholstery tool, right? You need you a pump sprayer. This one is electric, it's pump, and this one is electric. And you need some type of scrubber, all right? All right, over here, here's the truck mount itself. But before I go to the truck mount, remember I was talking about some type of agitation for the carpet, but you need some type of agitation for the staircase or for the upholstery. And it's the brush, all right? All you need is the attachment. You can get this attachment from Walmart. They sell it. All right, so so for the truck mount, I'm gonna cut it on, let y'all see how it sounds real quick. All right, that was the truck mount, all right? So you can use the truck mount or the portable, right? But they both have their pros and cons. Over here, you got your fresh water tank, you got your dirty water tank, you got your filter, and your filter, your orange hose right there connects to this here, okay? With your dirty water tank, you also have a dirty water release valve. My dirty water come through here. Also, some people have heat exchangers built into their truck mount. I don't. This right here is a propane tank. It's called the Little Giant. But as you can see, my top is off, and I have to replace that. But when I brought this used. I brought this truck mount for $2,500. Wasn't bad. $2,500 came with those setups, this setup, and the reels. Everything else I already had, even with the wand. So that's it. If I wasn't too good with this video, I apologize. But yeah, stay motivated. And also too, as well, this machine is 20 years old. But this is my first truck mount, and it runs pretty good. It's called Avenger 4000. Avenger 4000.